Alright guys, I'm so tired at the moment. I'm waiting for MJ. I have to leave in the hotel. I have to check out at 12 p.m. and it's now 10:29. Can you believe that? And I have to wait for MJ to I'm so tired. For MJ to come and pick me up to the airport, and I don't think he's even up yet. Let me try and text him. And then yeah, let me just leave that for the meantime. So I sent it exactly at 10:30. Let's wait for a reply. Let's wait for a reply. And guys, my uncle has dropped one crazy song titled Harder. You guys should stream it. It's already going crazy online. It's already going like crazy, like wild. I think there's a challenge already too. I have to join this. Maybe when I'm in Thailand. When I'm in Thailand, I'll join. Guys, I like my desert pictures so much. Like, especially, let me show you. Like this one. I love it. I don't know. I think from now, this is how I should record my vlogs. I should just position the camera just like I'm doing right now. Yeah, so I'll fix it there, then I'll just be talking for you guys to hear me. Afrobeats is not sleeping. Can you believe that? And it's like 6 a.m. He woke up around 4 a.m. Ghana time. Oh my god, this man. I'm trying to put these sockets inside there. The plug, but it's not entering, I mean, and I don't want to break it because I bought it in Indonesia. See, I'm just going to charge my phone over here. I can't come and keep myself. Yeah. Go harder. Guys, I feel like this sound trending right now has given me like this type of morale to shoot Afrobeats choreo. Let me play the sound to you guys. Yeah, this one. Afrobeats has like a very crazy choreo. I think he shot it because I saw like some secret footages of him shooting. Yeah. So I have to shoot this particular choreo of Afrobeats to surprise him. Yeah, what do you guys think? So let me learn. I'm about to learn it. Afro Drone posted it, I think, some time ago. He has already shot it. Afro Drone, this guy. MJ just texted me. He just texted that how am I? So I'm sure he's awake and he's preparing to come pick me up. I check out in 21 minutes. Okay, so now it's 11:36 and I'm about to check out of the hotel. Yeah, so I'll have to pack my stuff and go outside and yeah, give them the keys to the place, and then yeah, I check out and then wait for MG till he comes. I'm hoping he comes early. Okay, so this particular vlog is sponsored by Bell 7 Star. I'm the brand influencer for this particular energy drink, and guys, I would advise you to choose Bell 7 Star over any energy drink because it is the way. This is my energy boosting secret. Let's check out. So I'm trying to now calm down and take my vlogs very serious now. So I have to relax and know my angles, write what I want to see in the video, and edit what I want you guys to see. All right, I'm packing, so let's go. And so MJ came to pick me up. Now we're on our way to the airport. Rachel told me it was like 2 hours away from here.
Her airport, the one that she went is like 2 hours.
2 hours. Oh.
Sharjah, it's farther than.
Oh, okay.
But yours is more closer. We can go eat first.
Oh, okay. Guys, you're going to. MJ, repeat what you said.
Yeah, so you just pay in Ghana cedis is 140, and you choose any of these items, unlimited times. It says there, see start your tour, pick any from 9 dishes, choose 2 at a time, unlimited times.
Hey! I'll be opening a restaurant in Ghana like that very soon.
Like this is a place that I brought you for the first time, you know.
Yeah.
You've been in Dubai and you haven't been going to the right places.
Exactly. Exactly. If I knew this before, maybe the first time I dropped,
Okay.
maybe I would have been here like so many times.
Yeah, well, this is the thing. Now you know. Yesterday as well, that place was nice.
Yeah.
It was a really nice place. But yeah, there's just different places that I know in Dubai. A lot of people just go to the main places and they don't have a good experience. But when you come with a local from here, it's a different experience. Even the desert, even all of this places. Like the other people when we were there with the cast members, they went on a business safari. They went to the Royal Business Safari. It was so bad. They were complaining to me like, oh my god, I wanted to do so bad. I said, you guys didn't let me know beforehand. I would have taken you guys to the right place. But yes, at the end of the day, if you don't know the right people, it's a problem. But yeah, this place is really nice. As much as you want. But the last time I came, I had like so much, and these people didn't believe it. Like, hey, finish all of this. I said, hey, you know, man. We wrote a nice review for them. So I bought cash to a seafood place instead.
Nice review.
For those who don't like seafood, I'm sorry for you. But those who like seafood, this is the place you should be.
What's the name?
It's called La Mesa.
Okay.
La Mesa.
Le Mesa.
It's in Dera. It's a very, very nice place to have seafood.
The first time I've never had some in Ghana. But it's something I really want to. And it's expensive in Ghana. Like
seafood?
Yeah. Like very expensive.
So now is the experience to try some seafood. This is fried calamari.
Fried calamari. Fried calamari. No, but how do you guys get this? Because I know you don't have the sea.
We have.
You have the sea here in Dubai. In here.
Yeah.
Like UAE.
Yeah.
Which part of UAE?
Yeah. Try the sauce, but it's pepper.
Oh, okay. You guys are incredible. Like you are wonderful. You make things possible.
Everything possible. It's good.
Yeah. If only they will come and buy it.
In Ghana, they don't have a lot of seafood places. So.
Yeah. I only know of one.
Where?
Just one. It's in Ghana. We call it seafood boil. Yeah. It's just one. I don't know if there are more, but.
What about the beach?
Oh, by all means. The beach will have some. Yeah, by all means. I mean, they definitely have some.
Labadi,
yeah. You've been to Labadi Beach?
Yeah.
It's like MJ, you're Ghanaian. You're Ghanaian, you're Tanzanian, you are everywhere.
But Labadi Beach is different. Hey, your beach. Come to Tanzania, you'll see the beaches.
Saba Mendes. Nandiyan, naglalakad.
Chennai is a part